If you're running a membership site, email reminders can make a huge difference, not just for revenue, but for the overall member experience as well. Hey there! In this video, I'll show you 3 automated email reminders every membership site should be using and how to set them up using paid member subscriptions. Just a quick heads up before we start. Email reminders are available in Paid Member Subscriptions Pro, so make sure you have it installed and ready on your website before we jump in. Once you have Paid Member Subscriptions Pro installed, head over to Paid Member Subscriptions, Add-ons, and make sure the Email Reminders add-on is activated. After that, you'll find all reminder settings under Paid Member Subscriptions, Email Reminders. This is where all the magic happens. The first reminder you should always have enabled is the Subscription Expiration Reminder. This email goes out before a membership expires, giving members a clear heads up that their access is about to end. You can choose how many days before expiration the email is sent, the subject line and message content, whether it's sent once or multiple times, and more. It is perfect for memberships that don't renew automatically or for users who need a little nudge before renewing. Now, this reminder alone can significantly reduce cancellations, as most users don't actually want to lose access. They just forget. Next is a reminder that's especially important for sites using automatic renewals. This email is sent before the subscription renews automatically, letting members know a payment is about to be processed. It's a great way to avoid surprise charges, reduce refund requests, build trust with your members. You can set it to trigger a few days before the renewal date, giving users time to update their payment details or cancel if they need to. It's a small touch, but it goes a long way in building trust. The third reminder you should absolutely use is the subscription expired email. Here you can explain what access they've lost, include a direct renewal link, or even pair it with a discount code. This message goes out after a membership has already expired, and it's one of the most effective ways to bring members back. Think of it as your second chance to re-engage with users who may have simply missed earlier emails. Together, these 3 reminders create a powerful flow. Warn them before their access ends, guide them through renewal, and re-engage if they forget. All this without sending a single email manually. And that's it! If this video helped, don't forget to like it, subscribe for even more WordPress tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.